Okay, so hello there. So I've been getting a question recently about people wanting to get into IT, and I mean, can guys listen? IT is not something that's hard to get into. Sorry for the noise, and it's raining small. But anyway, IT is not something that is difficult to get into. Me personally, I went to school, right, for just for one semester. I dropped out. I dropped out of the semester. It's a whole other story, but basically, I didn't really go to school level 100 first semester, and I just dropped out of the school. So, but along the way, right, even prior, me dropping out of the school was because most of the stuff they were teaching there, I knew they were not hear me. Because prior to that, for like 2 years before me actually getting into a tech or computer science, IT related type school, right, I was already learning on my own. I was already able to build my own websites and do stuff, do hosting, do server, I've worked on a lot of projects. I can use Linux. Even prior to going to school, I didn't hear of Linux in school. So then I felt like I was just wasting my time, so I just quit and I just focused on learning online and maybe getting some online certifications, right? So if you want to get into IT, I would argue that if you can't go to school, because actually there are some advantages of going to school. School can give you a direction, can give you a process. There's a curriculum, and there are things that if you are not really clear on what you want to learn, you can just go ahead and do all that. But if you are not really, if you let's say you are working, you have a 9 to 5, you're already working somewhere, you feel you won't get time to go to school or something, you can still start. You can just YouTube is free. The internet, most of the resources on the internet are free. On Udemy, right? You can just get some courses for like what? It's usually 12.99 the last time I checked for some courses. 12.99 in Ghana cedis is like what? 300 cedis, let's just say. Basically, maybe 300 or maybe two something, right? So, Charlie, it's dedication and it's time. It's you having time for the whole project. So, Charlie, getting into IT is not. It's a challenge. You just have to be determined and be interested in the field. If you're interested in the field, you always make it out. Okay, so stay interested. Okay.